Thanks for tuning in the channel again, guys. I've been using that little travel trailer a whole bunch and haven't really had a chance to do so much on the follow-up videos. I did shoot some earlier footage where we installed the gate assist. It's working well. Takes a lot of the weight out of it, but it's not perfect. I don't have it perfectly tuned in to where I want it to be. So this video here is going to be part one of the install. Is kind of just out stock, taking it on the box, out of the box there, and bolting it right to the trailer. So that's what it's going to be. Part one, here it comes, and look out for part two. So as our baseline with this this gate, with the Rack'em assist lift hooked up. Let's see what kind of weight we're managing here. Survey says 35 pounds. Alright, we'll take this off, make some observations on the gate, and see what we got without any assist from the Rack'em double barrel gate assist. I think we're all going to be surprised how heavy this thing is. So here we are with the rebuilt tailgate. Because I had the metal available to me, I ended up using 1/4 inch thick, 2.5 inch angle iron. It's extremely rugged and sturdy, but it's a bit overweight. If I had to do this over again, I'd like to use a thinner gauge metal, and probably 2 inch would be acceptable. But nonetheless, got an excellent gate that's on here, extremely strong and sturdy. It just is a bit heavy. I'm going to take note of what some things I did on this compared to the old one. I ended up putting this expanded metal here on the other side of it. If you look at the way these are originally constructed, they sandwich it in between these outer rails and on top of the inner rails, and it doesn't really do a great job. I had a lot of it pushed through and it just doesn't work very well. So that's something I knew I had to change. I did keep the hinge position up high like what we have here. This is excellent because I can fold the trailer down and avoid the wind drag. And I like that the Rack'em gate assist lift here easily unclips, allows me to fold it down. I can just secure this clevis side there, and it works out pretty well. Now again, some of the problems with this being heavy, I also addressed here, you can see in the frame, is how I retain the gate. I got more of this angle iron that I had, cut it, welded the pipe in there, so I can then put these pins in it that way. It's a lot stronger and it works well. My confidence is up that it'll work well on this, because throughout the process I ended up having to do a lot more metal work than I thought. This whole corner of this gate was cracked on the weld here, so I cut it all off. And this is the heavier 1/4 inch, 2.5 inch angle iron on the ends here compared to what you see on the top side, which is the thin stuff. I don't know if I'd trust the gate if this piece here wasn't the stronger metal. But regardless, this is what I've got here now. It works pretty well. It folds down tight. But how about we see how much this gate will weigh with our scale without the Rack'em assist lift. And let's see what we've got here. We've got the tailgate down, and here we are at I will say 88 pounds on this one. So that's a nice assist that we get there.